We are here to listen to everybody's meditation experience. We are here to listen to everybody's spiritual transformation experience. Every person is worth listening to. If there is something good, we will absorb it. If something is not good, we won't absorb it. We reject it. But we have to hear every meditator's experience. This plays a very crucial role in PSSM. We keep on listening to everybody, every fresh meditator, every budding meditator. Everybody is very significant, everybody is VIP for us, very important person. So we keep asking, hey guy, what is your meditation experience? You please tell us. When did you come into spirituality? Please tell us. How did you come into it? So we are eager to hear everybody. Every person is important who is doing meditation. Every person's search for truth is important. So we would like to know the way he has gone into the search for truth.